Hi there! Today we will build a compost bin with 2 compartments. Start out by gathering 6 posts, a pile of boards and 6 galvanized post support spikes. Our compost bins will be 3 by 1.5 meters, which will give 2 bins of each 1.5 by 1.5 meters. They will be about 1 meter high. First we attach the galvanized post support spikes to the post. This makes it easier to place the posts into position and it protects the post from rotting since they are not in direct contact with the ground. To make the front panel removable as well as the middle panel, we use a router to cut slots in 4 of the posts. 3 of the posts get the slot on one side and 1 post gets the slot on 3 sides. This post with 3 slots will be the front middle post. First we will place the 2 posts without slots. They are the back left and back right corner posts. Make sure they are 3 meters apart. Then measure the distance between the 2 and place a post with 1 slot in the exact middle with the slot facing the front. Add 3 meter long boards to the back. Make sure the boards are nice and level. Attach a 1.5 meter long board to the side. This will help you determine the location of the front corner post. Then put a front corner post in place, one with 1 slot. Make sure it is square and level with the back corner post. To check for square, measure 60 cm on the side panel and 80 cm on the back panel. When connecting those 2 measuring points, distance must be 100 cm. When this is the case, your build is perfectly square. Attach boards to the side. Repeat this with the other front corner posts and side boards. Now connect the line between the 2 front posts and measure the distance to find the middle. This will be the location for the middle front post, which is the post with 3 slots. Measure the distance between the front middle post and the back middle post, in between the slots. Cut some boards to this length and slide them in. This will give you the opportunity to remove the middle boards to make it one big compost bin. For us, it is just to make it easier to put the middle boards in place. Now cut the front boards to the correct size and slide them in as well. Then add some landscaping fabric to the sides and the back side of the bins to give some extra protection to the wood. Don't attach it to the front because you won't be able to remove the boards anymore. Your compost bins are now ready for use. Thanks for watching!